हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरे नए वीडियोस देखते रहने के लिए मेरे वीडियो के नीचे दिए गए ये साइन सब्सक्राइब को अवश्य क्लिक करें। इसके बाद ये बेल के साइन को क्लिक करें। यहाँ इसको बॉक्स को क्लिक करने के बाद सेव करें ताकि आप नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे आपको मेरे नए वीडियोस देखने के लिए। थैंक यू। Hello my dear students and friends, welcome back, and I'm going to make a video here for you, and we are going to discuss a verb that is grow, but how to use grow up or grow, or where to use grow up or grow. So we are going to discuss that. So first, suppose I write here grow up. Let's talk about that. So you must understand one thing. It should be very clear to us that grow up, we use grow up for means when child is in the process of becoming an adult. That is grow up, means when child is in the process of becoming an adult, that is grow up. And there is subject and verb, but we don't use any object with this grow up. Clear? Now we can say I grew up in Delhi, means I became a man. I was born there and I became an adult there, means I grew up in Delhi. So we never use any object here. So subject and verb, grew up. I want my child or my son to be a doctor when he grows up. I want my son to be a doctor when he grows up. So that is very clear. Grow up we use for a child to become an adult. We grow up, grew up, you can change that. Grown up mean grow up, grew up, a grown up. You can use it in any form as per as your tense. Okay, and now we use grow. We use grow for like hair, beard, city, or like trees, a plant. For these you can use like my father grew beard. Okay, my father grew beard. Okay, like she wants to grow she wants to grow her hair. You can use like that town has grown to a big city. That town has grown to a big city. Okay, so you can use that grow. Here, when you use grow, there may be an object or there may not be any object. It depends. But when you use grow up, we use only subject and verb. There is no object. So if you think you like that video, please like it and share it for others. And subscribe to my channel to watch my new videos. I have already given my email ID, Skype ID here in that video and below that video. If you think you want to contact me to learn English with me, you may contact me. Thanks for watching that video. Thank you.